It's a beautiful day here today in March 2026, but in that cold spill about a month ago, we didn't have any heat in this 2015 ML 350, which is my car. It has 171,000 miles on it. So we were told that the windshield washer tank has a desiccant in it, that you need to replace the whole tank. And my favorite mechanic told me that I could do this myself. So my husband gave me these clamps. I just went to the store and got this battery operated siphon pump to get out the windshield washer fluid, and I'm going to try and do this myself. So first thing I'm going to do, here's the tank here. So I'm going to wait for the engine to cool a little bit more. I'll put a photograph of the Shelby Cobra I ran into. Look, my emblem's missing. And the other thing I'm going to do is remove this cowl, because I understand there's a bolt down there. So I'll wait till it cools, but I'm going to try and remove the cowl right now. I don't know if it's supposed to do this, but I just pulled this off here. Put it over there. And no, you can't get to it. It's way down there. So I guess I need to remove this piece here. So I searched for videos, but what I'm assuming is maybe that screw there. I don't think I need to take the whole thing off, only this one side here. So I have this little 8-9 millimeter wrench, and it seems to work perfectly on this side. Oops. The 8 millimeter worked perfectly, but I need 2 hands to do this. So this is a Torque 25, and that's going to remove this one down here. So it's funny looking. It doesn't look like a Phillips head, and it clearly doesn't look like a straight edge either. This is how long the screw is that was holding the Torque's screw. This is the screw that came out of the other side. Took me a little while because I was so afraid of dropping it. And if you think I know what I'm doing, I don't have a clue. The reason why I'm doing this is because no one has it for this particular model on the internet, and the desiccant is inside the reservoir for the coolant. I might have said windshield washer fluid. Well, that would have been wrong. Sorry. It's okay. I'm a woman. I'm allowed to make mistakes. No, I'm not. I'm just joking. So that appears to have not loosened it up, and I'm thinking, well, it actually is loose, but it's not coming off. Now, it's probably something really stupid, Because if I've learned anything about German cars, they got a reason for everything. Oh, there's a little clasp there. Let's try taking that off. So I'm going to try, it looks like there's 2 clasps here. So I'm going to try prying under here and see if that helps lift it or releases this cover. Let's see. We have one side released here, and I think I'm going to release it right there. Right there. So let's see if I can lift this up now. Okay, I've called on my husband because there's a way of putting the hood up 90 degrees. And it's in here. There's a release on this side and a release on the other side that it should come up. So, well, I could be wrong on that. Couldn't figure out how to release it so the hood went up 90 degrees, but my husband says it doesn't need to go up 90 degrees. So this cover's not coming off. So I believe these 2 pieces here are bolting it in. I hope that's all that it is. So I have I believe this is a 10 millimeter ratchet here, and I'm going to try and do it that way. I'm actually going to pause right now. Anyway, this is GNS Motors, and I won't bore you with my sob story, spelled S-A-A-B. Thank you for watching. This is part 1.